I'm starting out by lining my upper lash line with the Revlon Colorstay Micro Easy Precision Liquid Liner, starting with the inner corner and slowly feathering the line towards the outer corner. I'm resting my pinky on my cheek for balance and keeping my arm tight to my chest for added stability. I'm using just the tip of the applicator and applying this in little sections, keeping the front portion of the eyeliner thinner and then gradually increasing the thickness of the line as I make my way towards the outer corner. I'm also keeping the line as tight to my lash line as possible. I tend to look down a bit into a hand mirror and then look forward every so often just to see how it looks. To start the wing, I follow the upward curve of my lower lash line upwards and imagine that we're to continue onwards to draw on my first line. Once that's drawn on, I connect that with the rest of my eyeliner, keeping it below the crease. You can pull this line straight across or have a slight dip in it. It's all personal preference. Then I fill in that remainder triangle shape. This is going to be a little bit different on everybody since we all have different eye shapes. If you have hooded eyes, you might have a little bit more luck starting that first line a little bit lower below the bottom lash line and then pulling it straight across, avoiding the crease. Next, to clean up any mistakes or sharpen the wing, you can take a pointed cotton swab and some micellar water to touch things up, and then go in with a small concealer brush and some concealer to clean that up further. I like feathering a little bit of the concealer downwards into the foundation to blend it out. And then I'll go in with a little bit of setting powder and a powder puff just to set everything in place. In the inner corner, I like using a waterproof eyeliner pen. I start by looking straight into the mirror and follow the curve of my upper lash line, imagining that we're to continue onwards towards my nose. Then I'll gently extend the inner corner just slightly. Next, I'm tilting my chin downwards, looking into the mirror and pulling the point of our previous line inwards to connect with my lower lash line. Then I'll clean up as needed, and that completes my eyeliner. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. I will link everything down below. Be sure to tap the subscribe button so you don't miss out on my next video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.